Hi, good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020, and today's topic is about comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative adjectives. When we talk about two things, we can compare them to identify how they are different or similar in relationship to each other. We use comparative adjectives when talking about two things, not three or more things. Like in the example that we have here, Mars is smaller than Earth. How to make a comparative adjective. This is going to be for short adjectives. We are going to add ER. One syllable adjectives. Old, older. Fast, faster. Two syllable adjectives ending in Y. Happy, happier. Easy, easier. If the adjective ends in E, we are going just to add the letter R. Late, later. If the adjective ends in consonant, vowel consonant, we are going to double the last consonant and we are going to add ER. Big, bigger. Now with long adjectives, we are going to add the word more. One syllable adjectives not ending in Y, modern, more modern, pleasant, more pleasant. All adjectives or of three or more syllables, expensive, more expensive, intellectual, more intellectual. Note, with two syllable adjectives, we can use ER or more. Quiet, quieter, more quiet. Clever, cleverer, more clever. Simple, simpler, more simple. A comparative adjective can be followed by Dan. John is 185. He is tall. By Chris is 195. He is taller than John. Or not. Russia is bigger than America. Note, the following adjectives have irregular forms and don't follow the rules. Good, better, bad, worse, little, less, far, farther, and farther. Now I'm going to explain superlative adjectives. A superlative adjective expresses the extreme or highest degree of a quality. We use superlative adjectives to describe the extreme quality of one thing in a group of things. We can use superlative adjectives when talking about three or more things, not only two things. Like in the example that we have, Jupiter is the biggest planet. Now, how to make superlative adjectives. The rules that we have for short adjectives. We are going to add EST. Usually add the before the adjective. One syllable adjectives. Old, the oldest. Fast, the fastest. If the adjective ends in E, we are going just to add ST. Late, the latest. If the adjective ends in consonant, vowel consonant, we are going to double the last consonant. Big, the biggest. If the adjective ends in Y, we are going to change the Y to I and we are going to add EST. Happy, the happiest. Now what happens with long adjectives? Long adjectives, we're going to add must. Usually we add the before the adjective. One syllable adjectives not ending in Y. Modern, pleasant. The most modern, the most pleasant. All adjectives of three or more syllables. Expensive, intellectual. The most expensive, the most intellectual. Note, some two-syllable adjectives we can use EST or must. Quiet, the quietest. Most quiet. Clever, the cleverest. Most clever. Simple, the simplest. Most simple. The following adjectives have irregular forms and don't follow the rules. Good, the best. Bad, the worst. Far, the farthest, the furthest. Now, guys, we're going to do two different activities. The first one is going to be for comparative adjectives. You will write the correct form of the adjectives in parentheses. Like, for example, my house is big. In parentheses, we have the adjective big than yours. My house is bigger than yours. The second activity is going to be about superlative adjectives. You will write the correct form of the adjectives in parentheses. Example, Mars is the planet to Earth. The adjective that we have is close. And it's going to be like this. Mars is the closest planet to Earth. Well, guys, that's it. See you in a few weeks. Take care. Goodbye.